Hello, my name is Dave.
And I'm Cam.
And today, the tool we have is a sander.
Today you're going to learn about safety precautions.
This tool is used for smoothing surfaces and great for small areas and tight corners.
Step 1, safety first. Use your goggles and make sure battery is changed.
Step 2, properly secure the wood to the table.
Step 3, move the sander in a circular motion. When done, turn it off. 3 safety precautions.
Keep away from your face.
Don't rub on your skin.
Don't play around with the tool, bro. Come on.
Hi, my name is Eric,
My name's Talia.
and the tool we have today is a soldering iron. It's mainly used for melting at 800 degrees Fahrenheit and soldering 2 wires together.
Today we're going to teach you how to use it. First you got to turn it on, wait for it to heat up. It can get hot up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. And make sure your air is clean, and then when you're ready, get the solder ready, put it on the wire, heat it all up, and then it's going to connect. And when you're done, just make sure your area is clean and got everything nice and neat and wait for it to cool off. Alright, some safety precautions could be, this could be really hot and you could burn your skin and you'd have to go to the hospital or anything, so we wouldn't want that to happen. And another thing is, sometimes they're really sharp so you can accidentally cut or poke someone, so always make sure you have safety goggles, glasses, or anything, and have a teacher nearby when you're working on this.